So we decided to come here because he is my favorite. Oh, I remember that episode. My favorite guy is Guy. Look at this burger. Oh my god. Babe, you're gonna try this one? Actually, this has onions. You might not want to eat it. Oh, I can't wait to eat here. Look at him.
No, I'm gonna get the ribs. I have to.
Morgan's veggie burger. And get some appetizers, so they're like shareables. Trash can. Brisket nachos. Vegas fries. Triple T fries. Sesame. Look at the napkins. They're so cool. Look at your napkins, baby. Let's steal it. That's so cool. It's like a bandana. That's a nice little touch. And they give me red and they give you blue. Blood in the crate. Look at how cute my little sashimi tacos are. Oh, he got some wings. Oh my god, they are so cute. Look at this. Babe, get a shot of me eating one. God. So cute. Are you really looking?
No. I don't care.
I'm gonna try one of his wings. Ooh. Wow. That's tangy. Oh, this has blue cheese in it. This is real blue cheese. Babe. Oh my god.
I'll be right back with some more napkins.
Thank you.
Woo. Oh, look at the
Carrot. That food didn't want to let him go.
When are you going to eat? The door's closed. Bye.
He didn't get it. He didn't get it.
I said I'm
gonna
going.
go.
He's like, I said I'm going to go. Motherfucker, go already. Buddy, that was that like 10 times. Go, go, go. Go already, go.
It literally falls apart, but it's so good. Thank you.
I got the pink ones and I also have white wipes.
Thank you. this
cornbread and
cornbread.
pickle.
Get cheese on it.
I got a pickle too. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
The pickle's good. Oh, I should have got wrapped.
Everything looking good for the
Can I have some wraps? Thank you.
It looks all glazed.
Okay, I'm gonna try one of his ribs because I tried the mac and cheese. It's super, super cheesy. It's like really, really cheesy. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's good.